Namaste children. Hope you all enjoying your online videos. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about revision of grammar exercise.
Yes, children, before that, let's read the words shown on the board. What do you see? A pen, pens, isn't it? Okay, next one. We can see apple, carrot, and penguin. Below that, apples, carrots, and penguins. Yes, children, what is the difference between apple and apples? Yes, children, that is what we are going to learn today. So, these are singular and plural nouns. We already learned that singular means only one thing that mention the name of a one person, place, or thing, whereas plural nouns names more than one thing. So, that we already learned. So, when changing from singular to plural, we have certain rules. Let's see the rules. When we change a singular noun into plural noun, we have to add s at the end of the noun. It is not common for all the nouns. We have certain rules. If the singular noun ends with sh, ch, x, z or s, we have to add es at the end of the plural noun. If the end of the singular noun ends with vowel plus y, then we have to add yes. If the nouns ends with constant plus y, change the y to I and add es. If the noun end with f or fe, we have to change the fe into ves. When the noun end with vowel plus o, then we have to add s. When the noun ends with consonant plus o, then we have to add es. So children, these are the rules we have to follow when we change a singular noun into plural noun. Okay, let's see some examples. Box, box, box. When we change the box into boxes, we have to add es at the end of the word. Next example, tomato. Tomato ends with the letter O, T-O, consonant and O. So we have to add ES at the end. Next one, candy. C-A-N-D-Y, candy. The word ends with Y. So when the singular noun ends with Y, we have to change the Y into IES. So likewise, we have to change a singular noun into plural noun. Next word, book. So the word end with K. So we have no certain rules for K. So the plural form of book is books. We are just adding S at the end of the word. Next we are going to see some example of fruits. Apple, apples. We are adding S at the end of apple. Avocado, avocados. Banana, bananas. Bean, beans. Yes children, now you can able to understand how to change a singular noun into plural noun with the rules. Next we are going to see about verb. Action verb. What is a verb? Verb is an action word or words that show action or being. Okay, let's see it with some examples. Eat, fly, hop, jump, kick, laugh. So these are action words otherwise called verb. Let's see the verb in the example with sentences. I play football. They skip quickly. We eat spaghetti. So in these sentences, the words that are in red color are said to be verb because it shows action. Okay, let's see some more examples. I am playing cricket. Can you able to identify a verb here? Play. Can you spot any difference? It is not only play here, it is playing. So, whenever a verb is comes with ing form, then it is said to be main verb. The verb associated with the main verb is said to be helping verb. Let's learn about main verb and helping verb. See the sentences given here. I am going to the circus. So in this sentence, go is the verb. So it comes as going. So going is a main verb. The word that comes before the main verb is said to be helping verb. So am is a helping verb. Next, you are coming with us. So the verb is come. Coming is a main verb. Or is a helping verb. Next one. Daddy is taking us to the circus. Is a helping verb. Taking is a main verb. So children, you can easily understand the main verb. Words that are with ing is called main verb. Next one. I was baking a cake. Here was is a helping verb and baking is a main verb. Last sentence. We were planning a trip. Were is a helping verb and planning is a main verb. Yes children, now you can easily understand the main verb and helping verb from the given sentences. So now we are going to identify the main verb and helping verb from the given sentences. Okay, read the second question. He is cleaning his room. Okay children, tell me which is the main verb here? Yes, cleaning is a main verb and the word that comes before cleaning is a helping verb. So is a helping verb. Question number 3. They are going on a picnic. So going is a main verb and are is a helping verb. Question 4. She was sleeping in the bedroom. Sleeping is a main verb and was is a helping verb. Okay children, now it's your turn to tell the answer. Question number 5. We were waiting for our friends. So what is the main verb and helping verb? Find it.
Hope you all enjoy and understand the concept well. Do your practice worksheet and I see you in the next class. Thank you.